Go, go, go! Small soldiers are invading Burger King. One toy inside every delicious $1.99 kids hamburger meal. 2 new toys each week, 12 in all. Men, find the Gorgonites! And you, where's my booster chair?
If you ask us, it just tastes better.
Hello, and today we're going to be looking at 1998 DreamWorks Small Soldier Burger King toys. Here's the bag they came in. It says Commando Elite. Also collect the Gorgonites. First, let's get a look at Archer. All the details are there. One thing I want to point out is his cloth isn't painted red, and instead of a skull, he's got like 2 battle axes, which is it's a bit odd. They didn't want to put a skull on, I guess. And his function is he shoots. Well, that's supposed to rocket out like that. And it also, I think it glue inside there. That's why this is translucent. Here's a better look at him. It's got a shield. Definitely in '98 they took more quality in their toys than they do now. Next up we got Chip Hazard, the main man himself. This one's pretty cool if you just like a basic action figure. His function is you lift up his jacket and like his insides glow. But the LED died a long time ago. He's basically just a figure. Our articulation is his arms, his head, move up, down, 4 points or whatever, not counting the head movement. This one's just a basic figure that is, I think it's pretty cool. Here's Slam Fist. He's different from all the other ones because he's a plushy type thing. Again, he's missing his skull, which is odd. The details are all there for a little stuffed animal. It's not cheap or anything. It's pretty cool. I guess they just thought he'd make a good stuffed animal. Not much I can say about this one. It's a little flat, I guess. Ocula. This is probably the one people wanted to get just because it's so odd, and I think it works the best as a toy. He's bendable. Suction cup. You can stick him against glass, make him hold things, kind of. He's got a translucent eye. They definitely put a lot of detail in this one because he's not only bendable, but he can stick to things. And yeah, I can't get him. This one is the one everyone probably wanted to get, my guess. Punch It and Scratch It. This one's pretty cool. If you notice, the details in Punch It are really profound and detailed. I mean, so you can tell someone just went crazy on the sculpting on this. Scratch It is lacking detail in comparison. His function is you pull back and there's a boulder that I do not have, but let me try a quarter. Put it in his mouth. Pull back. And you have a weapon. Next we have 2 Insaniacs. Now these didn't come together, they came separately. I have no idea why they released 2 Insaniacs, especially because they doubled the character in Punch It and Frankenstein and Butch Meat Hook, but for some reason they made 2 of this character. I guess they thought he was popular, or I don't know what happened. But the first one is a ball and chain Insaniac. They did a good job on the skull, like with a chain around him. He's like on a trash pile thing, and what he does is he spins when you move his base, and he can kind of pull some crazy things like upside down, spin it upside down, and it kind of dances around there. It's pretty cool. It doesn't rock it off or anything. You just kind of move it yourself. And he's removable. I think the other one's actually more detailed, but the function on this one is so like bizarre. You pull his arm down and he makes like a laughing giggle noise. Sounds more like a squirrel than a laugh. But you have Frankenstein up top, and then we have Butch Meathook on bottom. The positioning is just awkward. Yeah, you can make your own jokes on that one. Anyways, the function is he moves. And he moves his arms up and down. Next we have Nick Nitro. This is the first Small Soldier merchandise I ever got. I got this and I brought it to the beach. Pull on his explosive backpack. Yeah, his legs fly off, kind of. Like when he's in the movie. Next we have this very scary brick bazooka. And look at that face. That's pretty extreme. Then we got like his custom mobile thing. It's like a toaster. It's pretty sweet. It's got like Pop-Tarts. This one's pretty funny. It's interesting. You push the toast down. Next we got everyone's favorite, Kip Killigan. He's on a motorcycle, I don't know why. I guess they just thought he was that cool. His function is pull his string, and he takes off. This one's okay. Last we got Link Static. He's hiding his face under these binoculars, so you can't really tell he's a small soldier. He's got a backpack that you put notes in. Like, you're supposed to write a little note to someone. And then you line them up. And 10 years later, someone will get your note and they'll send help. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to rent Small Soldiers on YouTube or whatever. Buy it.
Major hazard. You left the base without authorization. Proceeded to Burger King and ordered a rodeo burger. Serve heard this command for over...
Answer the question. Did you order the rodeo burger?
You're darn right I did. It was flame broiled and delicious.
Burger King salutes small soldiers with a tasty new rodeo burger. Cheese, onion rings, bullseye barbecue sauce. Right now, part of the 99-cent Great Taste menu.
That rodeo burger, it was pretty tasty, huh? You can't handle the rodeo burger.
If you ask us, it just tastes better.